In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix Content Collection 2026 guide. First, open your Wix site editor and head to the bottom left corner of your workspace. That's where you'll find the CMS, previously called Content Manager. Click it to open the CMS panel. If this is your first time using it on this site, you'll see an option to add to site. Go ahead and click that. This connects the CMS infrastructure to your website. Think of it as installing a digital filing cabinet where all your structured content will live, organized, searchable, and ready to power pages across your site. With the CMS added, you're ready to create your first collection. In the CMS panel, look for the main section and select Create Collection. A collection is simply a structured container for items like blog articles, recipes, case studies, team profiles, or products. Setting it up now saves you time later because your content will follow a consistent structure every time you add a new item. Next, choose how you want to set it up. Wix offers 3 methods. Create with AI is the fastest way to get started. Just describe your collection in one sentence, like a library of vegetarian recipes with ingredients, cooking time, difficulty, and photos. And Wix will generate a complete example structure and sample items to work with. If you already have content in a spreadsheet, import from CSV is ideal. It pulls in your columns and rows so you don't have to retype anything. And if you want complete control from the ground up, choose Start from Scratch. This lets you manually define each field so the structure matches your exact needs. Once your collection exists, take a moment to explore the data. Wix often provides sample collections, such as a food-related set, so you can see how fields like name, category, description, and images are organized. You can customize any collection at any time. Add, rename, or remove fields to fit your project, and choose sensible field types such as text for titles, rich text for longer content, numbers for prices or times, and image fields for media. Clear, consistent field names make filtering and sorting easier later. Finally, when your collection is ready, you can connect it to your site's design. Use dynamic pages to create one layout that automatically displays details for each item, or connect a repeater to show a grid or list that pulls items from your collection. This approach keeps your content centralized while presenting it beautifully across your site. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.